Hello everyone, welcome to Homelugs. Welcome to our video on modern front wall design ideas. Your front wall is the first thing that people see when they approach your home, and it's important to make sure it reflects your personal style and makes a lasting impression. In this video, we will be showcasing a variety of modern front wall design ideas, from geometric patterns to vertical gardens and modern fireplaces. We will also be providing tips and tricks on how to achieve the perfect look for your front wall. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. One of the most popular design trends is the use of natural materials. Wood and stone are both great options for adding warmth and texture to your front wall. In this example, the use of wood paneling creates a modern, rustic look that is both inviting and natural. Another trend is the use of metal. This can add a modern, industrial feel to your front wall. In this example, the use of geometric cutouts creates an interesting visual effect and adds a unique modern touch. Green walls are also becoming increasingly popular. They not only add a beautiful natural touch to your front wall but also providing a number of environmental benefits such as reducing air pollution and providing shade. Another option is add a statement piece to your front wall. A sculpture or larger piece of art can make a bold contemporary statement and add a unique touch to your home. Murals are a great way to add color and creativity to your front wall. With a mural, you can choose anything from a simple geometric design to a detailed scene. It is a great way to add personality to your home and make it stand out. One thing, another trend that is gaining popularity is the use of natural stone. Natural stone such as granite, marble, or limestone can add a touch of elegance and luxury to your front wall. It's great option for these looking for a timeless and sophisticated look. In this example, the use of natural stone cladding creates a modern and sleek look that is sure to impress. Adding a large window to your front wall can be a great way to let natural light into your home and creates a sense of openness. It's also a great way to bring the outdoors in and creates a seamless transition between the inside and outside of your home. In this example, the large window provides a beautiful view of the garden and adds a sense of depth to the front wall. Water features are another great way to add a unique and modern touch to your front wall. They can range from a simple fountain to a large modern wall. Not only do they add visual interest, but the sound of running water can also create a calming and soothing atmosphere. This example features a sleek modern water wall that adds a sense of tranquility and elegance to the front wall. Modern lighting fixture can add a sense of drama and intrigue to your front wall. This example features a modern lighting feature that creates a beautiful and dramatic effect at night. It is a great way to add visual interest and make your front wall stand out at night. Another trend that is becoming popular is the use of geometric shapes and patterns in the front wall design. These shapes can be created using a variety of material such as wood, metal, or concrete. In this example, a combination of wood and metal is used to create a modern and geometric pattern that adds visual interest to the front wall. The entrance door is the focal point of the front wall is the first thing that people see when they approach your home. So it's important to choose a door that is not only functional but also reflective of your personal style. This example features a modern and unique entrance door that makes a bold statement and adds a touch of personality to the front wall. Mailboxes are often overlooked when it comes to front wall design, but they can actually be a great way to add a modern touch to your home. This example features a sleek modern mailbox that not only adds visual interest but also provides a functional and convenient features for the homeowner. Another trend that is becoming more and more popular is the use of greenery and plants in front wall design. This can be achieved through the use of vertical gardens, green walls, or by simply adding a few potted plants. This not only add a touch of nature to your front wall but also has many environmental benefits such as reducing air pollution and providing shade. Pergolas are a great way to add a modern and unique touch to your front wall. They can be used to create a covered outdoor space perfect for entertaining guests or simply relaxing in the shade. This example features a modern pergola made of wood and steel that provides a beautiful focal point on the front wall and adds a sense of depth to the space. Fireplaces are becoming more and more popular in front wall design. Not only do they provide warmth and ambience, but they can also used as a focal point for the front wall. This example features a modern and sleek fireplace that adds a touch of luxury and warmth to the front wall. Seating areas are a great way to add functionality and comfort to your front wall. They can be used to create an inviting outdoor space, perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing on your own. This example features a modern seating area made of wood and steel that provides a comfortable and stylish place to sit and enjoy the view. Here are few tips to keep in mind when designing your front wall. Number 1. Consider the overall aesthetic of your neighborhood. While you want your front wall to stand out and reflect your personal style, it is important to also consider the overall aesthetic of your neighborhood. You want your front wall to complement the surrounding homes and not stand out in a negative way. Number 2. Think about functionality. Your front wall should not only look good but also be functional. Consider how you will use the space and what features would be most useful to you, such as seating area or a modern garage door. Number 3. Use a variety of materials. Using a variety of materials can add visual interest to your front wall. Consider using a combination of natural stone, wood, metal, or concrete to create a unique and modern look. Number 4. Add greenery. Plants and greenery are a great way to add a touch of nature to your front wall and also have many environmental benefits. Consider adding a vertical garden, green wall, or a few potted plants to your design. Number 5. Consult with professional. Considering consult with architect and designer to help you to achieve the perfect look for your front wall. They can help you navigate the design process and ensure that your front wall is functional, stylish, and in line with local building codes. Number 6. Make sure its well lighting. Lighting is an important front wall design as it can change the look or feel of the space. Make sure that your front wall is well lighting and consider adding a modern lighting feature to create an dramatic effect at night. Number 7. Plan for maintenance. When choosing materials for your front wall design, keep in mind that some materials may require more maintenance than others. For example, wood will need to be stayed or painted regularly to maintain its appearance, while a material like concrete or metal may require less maintenance. Think about the future. When designing your front wall, think about the future and how your needs may change. For example, if you plan or starting a family or aging in place, you may want to consider accessibility features such as a ramp or a step-free entrance. Number 12. Have fun with it. Remember that designing your front wall should be a fun and existing process. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. With a little bit of creativity and the help of professionals, you can create a front wall that is both beautiful and functional. So guys, these are just a few examples of the many ways to you can design your front wall to make it unique, modern and eye-catching. With so many options available, it's important to take the time to consider your personal style, the architecture of your home, and the overall aesthetic of your neighborhood. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and to try architects and designers to help you achieve the perfect look for your front wall. Thanks for watching and we hope you find this video helpful.